This is the story of the Trans-Alaska Pipeline, the men and women who built it, and the design technology that will take it into the 21st century. The year was 1968. From a distant Alaska outpost known as Prudhoe Bay came word of a monumental find, a colossal oil field dwarfing any previous discovery on the North American continent. But there was a problem. How to get the oil out? How to move it thousands of miles south to markets and refineries? Many imaginative solutions were considered, but nothing was so safe and efficient as a pipeline. A pioneer pipeline through an unsurveyed wilderness, requiring finished pipe of higher quality than ever previously employed in oil pipelines. Scrupulous on-site studies were made by teams of scientists over each of several pipeline route variations. In the process, archaeologists unearthed over 20,000 artifacts documenting important cultural information about early man in Alaska. Based on all of these studies and surveys, the final corridor of the pipeline was selected. Beginning at Prudhoe Bay, the route would follow the Sagavaniriktok River and Adigan Valley to the Brooks Mountain Range. There it would climb to 4,800 feet through Adigan Pass, the highest point along the route. Down the south slope, through two more valleys, and over the hills in Muskeg to the Yukon River. Then, south of the Yukon, the route passes 10 miles east of Fairbanks and turns south to zigzag across the Denali earthquake fault. The corridor makes another climb over Isabel Pass in the Alaska Mountain Range and drops down into the Copper River Basin. Up and over the broad Chugach Range to Thompson Pass. Then a plunge to the valley floor along Sheep Creek. And up along the south wall through Keystone Canyon, across the tidal flats, and on to the terminal site overlooking Fort Valdez. "29 locations for temporary construction camps, 799 miles in all.